Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you download account data on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on account. When you just click on account, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on download account data. You just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. And here can you add your email, and you click on send, and uh, it's going to send to you link to download your account data. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.